Whoa, a new gumball machine. Queenie, can I get one?
What happened to your allowance this week?
I spent it all.
Did you not save any of it?
No. Why?
Sammy, you need to save your money. There might be something you want in the future that might be expensive, like a new toy or some candy.
Well, how do I save money?
Well, we can go to the bank to make a savings account, or we can get you a jar that you can put some money in.
I want to get a jar.
Okay, I will get you one. Okay, Sammy, let's see how much money you have saved.
Here, I've been saving half of my allowance for the past few weeks.
That's awesome. I think you have enough to get a gumball this week. Let's go get one.
Yay! Thanks for teaching me how to save. I hope one day I can save up to get a really cool toy.
Of course, Sammy. I can't see what you buy someday.